for all the socio-economic reasons, the China plus one strategy has made probably India the default war zone, right? Kante sir, I would like to ask this question to you. Are clients moving to India because they believe in it, or is it an insurance policy?
I think over a period of time, people are moving to India with a lot of confidence.
Right.
It is not just sort of a one-off kind of thing, or maybe let us have it, or feel good kind of concept. Couple of years back, yes, I would say that there is a lot of merit in what you are asking, whether they came really to sort of a very suspicious kind of thing, whether things will work or not, or whether they will be able to deliver or not. I mean, consultant of our size and our competence, probably we can talk with huge conviction and all, because we normally go by the results. We normally go by our performance, and it is not hidden, and it's not generated overnight, or we cannot camouflage, or we cannot steal from somebody. If I just say my name, and people have access to know by more than one means. Today, net is there, everything is there, our customers can speak about it, and the word flows like anything. I mean, if we do a bad job, probably you don't require anything, efforts to be made, people will talk about it. So naturally, earlier, India was taken as a sort of, oh my God, India. So like that, today we say, yes, India. And I think, I take first and foremost, being an Indian, all of us are Indian, and I'm a very hardcore, and I'm very proud of my country and my competence and my knowledge. I think India is not a sort of a standby kind of thing, but India is definitely a leader in this thing. And people come to us not as an insurance kind of thing, but they come to us as a sort of they believe in us, and they are confident. We are also confident of delivering. Even they are also confident that we can deliver their expectations.
Great. I think that's a perfect, wonderful answer, I would say. Singh sir, in continuation to what Kante sir said, India's ability to deliver, to keeping up its ambition, are we there? I personally believe we are there. I would like to know from an expert like you. And is there a gap that no one is talking about?
India ambition in execution is quite fair. We are very strong in project management and operation execution, but we lack in automation excellence, detail engineering, and some of this we are missing. These are not a great gap. They are solvable. They can be all solved and become better in this area.
Okay. Swaminathan sir, I would like to understand the shift, if it has to last. What has to go right? And what could probably reverse it quickly?
First, we have to understand why the shift happened.
Great.
Okay. One was the taking care of the emergencies, health emergencies. As Mr. Kante very clearly said that we were, it's not an insurance, but we were an addition.
Great.
Okay. But having said that, we say China plus one. Why should that one be India? Because earlier days, people were coming to India. Now, there are so many other countries which are looking at that example and they want to become that plus one.
Got it.
You know, like today, why not Vietnam? Why not Malaysia? Even countries as far away as Brazil are looking at being the plus one.
Got it.
So what we need to do is, see, if you look at these countries, they are much smaller countries. Vietnam, Malaysia, they are smaller countries. They are as big as one state of India.
Right.
So if someone comes to India, like I said earlier, the regulatory complications, each state has its own regulations.
Right.
Unlike there, it's one country. So these things, if we can streamline this, make it all the same, then it could still come up here. Now, like what Dr. Devendra Singh was saying is, it is the detail engineering, it is the time, the automation, beyond all that, again coming back, land acquisition, availability of manpower, skilled manpower. We have to have all those things ready for us to continue to be the plus one.
Great.
Otherwise, others are breathing down your neck. Like Every country wants to be that. So we have to be prepared for that eventuality.
Yeah, so I think that answers both my aspects. What it needs to last and what can it reverse, right?
Yes.
If we are not coping up with what is needed, it might go down
Correct.
anytime, right? Thank you.